Okay, wow.
Oh my God, viewers, just look at these views. All these marketing ads you're seeing right now, I created them with just one click. Yes, you heard that right. Using the latest marketing studio from Higgsfield, you can generate high-quality ads instantly. With just a single click, you can create powerful marketing ads easily, quickly, and professionally. First of all, I want to show you something very important: how much money you can actually earn by creating these kinds of marketing ads. Now let me open Fiverr in front of you. If I search for ads or marketing ads, you can see there are tons of services available here. People are offering Facebook ads, social media creatives, and different types of marketing content. And if you look closely, people are charging hundreds of dollars for creating simple ad creatives. But today, I'm going to show you a tool that lets you generate these ads with just one click. Yes, one click. And just like them, you can also start earning big money by creating your own gigs on Fiverr. Now let me show you the website Higgsfield. Oh my God, viewers, this website is absolutely amazing. It's actually one of my all-time favorite platforms because it keeps launching new tools again and again. And today, they have launched something incredible: a brand new tool called Higgsfield Seedance 2.0 Marketing Studio. Yes, with Seedance 2.0, they have now introduced a complete marketing studio which allows you to create professional marketing ads instantly. And in today's video, my main focus is going to be this powerful tool. So let's dive in. All right, viewers, before I explain this marketing studio tool in detail, first, I want to show you something important. As you can see here, this marketing studio can turn any product into a video ad. You simply upload any product and it automatically converts it into a professional video ad. Your ad is ready with just one click. Now tell me, what better tool could you possibly find than this? Normally, to create ads, you have to use multiple tools, spend hours, and still struggle to get a perfect result. But here your ad is created instantly with just a single click. Now, let me explain further. Here you can see the option called Pick the Format, and there are so many formats available. You can choose from UGC tutorial, unboxing, hypermotion product review, and many more. These formats are designed for realistic social media content, step-by-step tutorials, product highlights, TV-style ads, wildcard creatives, and even virtual. Try-ons like UGC Virtual, Try-on and Pro-level Virtual, Try-on. In short, whatever type of ad you want to create. This tool has already defined everything for you. Now, first of all, I pick my product. Just like I had already generated some product images earlier, I'm selecting my first product, which is earbuds. Now I click on Create Product and upload the image. You can see that within moments, it automatically generates the product name and description for me. Oh my God, it's working perfectly. Now I simply click on the Create Product option. After that, you can see there are many avatars available. Influencer style avatars. You can even create your own custom avatar if you want. But for now, I'll just use one of the available avatars. For example, I select this male avatar. Now the best part is, you don't even need to write any prompt here. Everything is already automated. Now viewers, without wasting time, I'll set the resolution and finalize the settings. First, I'm going to create a UGC style ad. Everything is set, and now I click on the Generate button. You can see my first UGC ad has started processing and generating. Let's wait for a moment. And boom. Oh my God, viewers, my first ad is ready. Just look at this.
Okay, these earbuds surprised me. Super clear, comfy fit, and the case feels premium, worth it.
This is absolutely amazing. All I did was upload earbuds, select an avatar, and it automatically created a full ad with proper description and visuals. Now, without wasting time, let me show you more examples. Now I select my next product. For example, I choose a watch image. Again, it automatically generates product name and description. I click on Create Product to add it. Now in avatars, I'll use a female avatar that I previously created. It even assigns a name automatically. Now I've added both product and avatar. This time, instead of UGC, I'll select the tutorial format. Let's see how a tutorial style ad looks. I click on Generate. It starts processing. And now you can see my tutorial ad video is ready. Look at how the female avatar is presenting the watch. This is such an amazing and professional ad. Now let's move to the next ad. This time I select a phone image for an unboxing ad. Again, it generates name and description automatically. I add the product. Now this time I'll remove the avatar and test how it works without an influencer. I select unboxing format and click Generate. After a short wait, you can see my unboxing ad is also ready, and it looks amazing. Now let's try another one. This time I want to create a hypermotion ad. I select a cold drink image, upload it. It automatically generates product details. Now this time, I don't use any avatar. I want to see how it performs without any influencer. I click Generate. Processing starts. And boom! Oh my God, viewers, this hypermotion ad for the drink is absolutely mind-blowing. Now let's create one more. This time, I select a perfume product. Now I want to create a product review ad. For that, I'll select a female avatar. I click Generate. Wait for a moment, and now you can see my perfume ad with avatar is ready, and it looks incredibly professional. So viewers, one by one, I have shown you different formats and tutorials. Whether it's UGC tutorial, unboxing, hypermotion, or product review, all formats are absolutely amazing. I personally liked all of them a lot, and I demonstrated 4 or 5 different ad styles for you, so you can clearly see how powerful this tool is. This means this marketing studio tool by Higgsfield is truly amazing. Honestly, I can now create these ads with one click and upload them on Fiverr to earn thousands of dollars. And you can do the same. I have shown you everything, how to use it, how ads are created, and how powerful it is. Now all my ads are ready. I can simply download them from here. And if we talk about pricing, there are also great discounts available on upgrades. You can choose any plan plus Ultra or Business depending on your needs. Using that, you can access Seedance 2.0 and start creating ads instantly. Everything becomes so easy. This tool has solved so many problems for marketers. That's why this tool is going to be extremely trending in the marketing world. So I'll see you in the next video with another powerful tool. Goodbye.